Good morning, Lions! Today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2024. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We're super excited you're here. We know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for mostly clear skies and a high of 81. The yellow air quality flag is flying, which means the air is moderate for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having pepperoni pizza or Little Smokies and Tiger Bite crackers. As a reminder, Lions, at lunch, and I've done this reminder over several days, but I'm still hearing you're doing this, you may not go back and get seconds or extras from the ice chest if you did not eat all of your lunch. Okay, Lions? You have to eat all of your lunch in order to go back. And I've said that multiple times. I've been in the cafeteria multiple times. I know Mrs. Clark has told you. I know Mrs. Clara has told you. Those are the rules. So if I hear you trying to go to every single person in the cafeteria for somebody to say yes, you're going to be in trouble with Miss Garcia. Because that is taking and wasting food. Okay? You eat what's on your plate. If you don't like it, you're not getting seconds of other things. Okay, Lions? You eat everything on your tray, then you get to go back and have the extras. All right, birthdays. Today we have Jason Poland turning 6 in Miss Kennedy's, 1 Valero Ledesma turning 11 in Miss Zendejas', and Arias Velasco turning 10 in Miss Sayama's. Happy birthday, Lions. All right, Lions. Big shout out. Well, we'll get to the shout outs, but attendance. That's kind of the big 19 absences, 41 tardies. That was 96%. Great job, Lions. Classes with perfect attendance were Abad, Barcelos, Bustamante, Carrillo, Charrington, Diaz, Guzman, Hill, and Sayama. Great job, Lions. All right, today is a regular day, Lions, and we do have PE. There is a basketball game tomorrow. It's here against Ingval. Basketball players, super important. They need to take your yearbook picture with your uniforms on. So, as soon as the bell rings, you need to get out to the court, get your guys' stuff together. So you need to change at lunch, or you can wear your uniform to school. Okay, but just remember that it's going to be cold in the morning, so you might want to wear something over it, especially if you have the basketball sleeves or a shirt underneath it. But you can wear your uniform to school for basketball tomorrow. This way it makes it faster to go out and take those yearbook pictures, because they got to take them because they have to turn in all the pictures for the yearbook. Okay, so all right, Lions, just a reminder, basketball team pictures tomorrow before the game, and your game starts at 3, so you have about 15 minutes to get out there and get your picture taken. All right, also, Lions, today you will see we are wearing purple today. It's a special day. Today is the day of the military child, and it's an honor those of you whose parents are in active or retired military, because we know being a kid whose parent is in the military, sometimes they're not here, especially on your birthdays or Christmases, and sometimes you have to travel quite a bit and live in different places. So today is especially for you, the day of the military child, and that's why we're wearing purple. So you'll see lots of people today wearing purple. All right, Lions. Also, I want to give a shout out. We're going to start on shout outs to Mrs. Diaz's class, who has over 80 days. They are only 3 days? 3 days away from hitting 90. Pretty darn exciting. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up, 10J. All right, Lions. And then we're also going to be talking about the remember I told you we were going to honor students who may have not yet learned something, but then they're learning it at this last 8 weeks of school. They're going to get a special paw, and we are going to put their paw, as they move off those lists, onto the cafeteria, and we're going to put your name on there. So I have 4 second graders who now have passed their 2-digit subtraction. Great job. So Josiah Castro, Jonathan Miguel Barajas, and Mariana Moreno, and Aaliyah Polito. We have these right here. We're going to put your names on them, and we're going to put them up in the cafeteria because they now know how to do 2-digit subtraction. Woo woo! Good job, second graders. Also, Lions, this goes from TK all the way to sixth grade. When you know what you're working on and you can get off your I don't know it yet list, the not yet list, you get your name up on the cafeteria wall. Super exciting. All right, Lions. And then also, Lions, for those of you that are like, wait a minute, I got it all. I've mastered all those. We have a different color Paul for you. So don't worry. Everybody who's doing what they're supposed to achieve, remember this month is about achieve, we're going to be giving you shout outs and getting your name up on that cafeteria wall. All right, Lions. And then Miss Peggy wanted to give a shout out. She is being a guest teacher in 1J yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And she wants to give a shout out to Miss Yamalet in 4th grade. Yamalet did go on her field trip yesterday, and so she was a helper in 1J, and she said Yamalet did an amazing job, and she worked really well and helped all the kids to get their work done. So a big thank you to Yamalet for helping out in kindergarten yesterday. All right, Lions, I think that is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Remember, Lions, we are staying focused on our goals of learning, right? Because we are one school and we have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice, and I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for your flag salute.